Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Ristretto package is available on Ubuntu-based repository, so you can install it directly by running the next command. Now you can search in the system search bar by typing Ristretto or by icon. Ristretto will be launched as shown. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.